Oh, sorry, that was Arnold. Listen to me. You need to come. No, leave him alone, Arnold. Okay, so Jacob says to this chick, hello, my name is Jacob. I would like to take you home, for I am needing a successor, for I am a countryman who is needing to have a legacy for people to follow me. And so they go home, and things transpire. And basically what happens is one day Jacob is busy talking to the other people about his whole story, and he's not understanding why his relationship didn't work out. And there's this new thing that people have found out. There's a book about it called Emotional Intelligence, which is when you have a dialogue in your brain about certain things. Campbell, you're a fat, bald git. Ah, thank you. Your normal reaction is, I'm going to kill him. The other emotional intelligence reaction is to go, no, don't do that. That will be overreacting. That will be counterproductive. And you sit and you have a dialogue with yourself about it, and then you reach a middle ground, and you don't kill that person, and they leave, and you can do what you need to do. Now, I would imagine this would be really interesting, because things have gone wrong. Jacob is having that little Star Trek dialogue with himself. He's Captain Kirk. Mr. Spock, what was the problem? Why did she not like me? I'm sorry, Jim, my scanner did not detect any anomalies. So he's having this conversation with Arnold, going, hey Arnold, what was wrong with this whole story? And Arnold, I don't know. This is the same thing happened to me with Maria. And what happens? Arnold comes home. There's this awkward silence. None of the happy. Well, Arnold comes home. He walks in. He says, hello Maria, how are you? I'm fine, Arnold. It's fine. No, really, what's for dinner? And so they have dinner, and she says nothing. And after dinner, he says to her, Maria, something is bothering you. I pick it up. The force is strong with me. What have I done? What have I said to you? You are not communicating effectively. Come now. And she looks at him and goes, it's fine, Arnold. It's okay. Just do what you gotta do. No, listen to me. You need to communicate with me here. I'm trying to be emotional and sensitive. Was it something that I said? No, it's nothing. Was it that inflatable towel that I brought home last night? No, it's not that. It's nothing. It's fine. Was it something that I did in my latest movie? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to reference you badly. No. Come on, you're not talking to me. I'm not understanding. He says, Arnold, leave it. It'll be fine. He rolls over in bed and says, okay, Esmeralda, something has really upset her. You need to go home now. She's not communicating. Thank you very much. I'm Campbell.
Another round of applause for Anyway, just like to say thank you very much to Pitch and Putter, Campbell, Joe, Sean for helping to organize this event. Hope you all had an amazing evening and enjoy the rest of the day.
Alright, I just wanted to say a few words. Thank you more specifically to Tash, the owner, for letting us do this tonight. Everybody give a round of applause, please. Also to Sean, the manager, wherever he is at the moment, give him a round of applause. I've been pestering him, but luckily everything went without a hitch, except for the microphone issue. Also, thank you all, I would like to say from the bottom of my heart, from coming out and supporting us, and I hope word of mouth will get around. Give yourselves a round of applause, come on. Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy the rest of your night. We will be performing again at the Brazen Head in Stellenbosch at 8:30 on Monday, if anybody's interested to come see us. Other than that, enjoy the rest of your night, guys. Thank you again for coming. You guys have been awesome.